Welcome to my channel, Virgin Router Blinking Red Light Problem. Try these fixes. Step 1. Check Internet Service Status. First, make sure there's no outage in your area. Sometimes the issue is from the provider's side. Step 2. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This fixes most temporary issues. Step 3. Check all cable connections. Ensure all cables, power, Ethernet, coaxial, DSL, are properly plugged in and not loose. Step 4. Inspect the power supply. Make sure your router is getting proper power and the adapter is working correctly. Step 5. Move router to a better location. Place your router in an open space away from walls or electronic interference. Step 6. Check for overheating. If your router feels hot, turn it off for a while and let it cool down before restarting. Step 7. Reset the router. Soft reset. Press the restart button or use the admin panel to reboot the system safely. Step 8. Perform a factory reset if needed. Hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase settings, so set it up again afterward. Step 9. Update firmware. Log into your router settings and check for firmware updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 10. Get professional help. If the red light still blinks, it may be a hardware or network issue. Thanks for watching.